If you've ever wondered how millionaires grow their wealth, the answer often comes down to one thing: investing. It's not just about earning money, it's about making your money work for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through the basics of investing, how millionaires approach it, and how you can start growing your wealth through smart investments. First, let's start with the most important concept: compound interest. Millionaires know the power of compound interest and use it to their advantage. Compound interest is when you earn interest, not just on your initial investment, but on the interest that's been added over time. Essentially, your money starts earning money, and then that money earns even more money. The longer you invest, the more powerful compound interest becomes. It's like a snowball effect, where your wealth grows exponentially. This is why starting to invest early is so crucial. Time is one of the biggest factors in growing wealth. Now, let's talk about the different types of investments millionaires use. They don't rely on one type of investment. Instead, they diversify their portfolios, spreading their money across different asset classes to reduce risk. The most common types of investments include stocks. These represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're buying a piece of that company, and if the company grows, so does your investment. Millionaires often invest in individual stocks, but they also use index funds, which are collections of many stocks that track the market. Index funds provide diversification and lower risk compared to picking individual stocks. Bonds. These are essentially loans you give to companies or governments. In return, they pay you interest over time. Bonds are considered lower risk than stocks, but they also offer lower returns. Millionaires include bonds in their portfolios to add stability. Real estate. Many millionaires invest in real estate because it provides both cash flow and long-term appreciation. Rental properties, commercial real estate, or even real estate investment trusts, REITs, are popular ways to generate passive income while also benefiting from the property's value increasing over time. Alternative investments. This can include things like commodities, private equity, or venture capital. While these types of investments can be riskier, they offer high potential returns and help diversify a millionaire's portfolio. The key takeaway here is diversification. Millionaires don't put all their eggs in one basket. They spread their investments across different asset classes, which helps protect them from losing everything if one area underperforms. You can start doing the same by balancing your investments between stocks, bonds, and real estate, depending on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Now, how do millionaires actually make their investment decisions? One of the most important things they do is research and stay informed. They don't invest blindly. They keep up with market trends, read about companies, and make data-driven decisions. You don't have to be a financial expert to invest, but it's important to educate yourself and understand what you're investing in. Start by reading books, watching tutorials, or even taking a course on investing basics. Another strategy millionaires use is long-term investing. They aren't focused on quick wins or short-term gains. Instead, they take a long-term approach, knowing that markets fluctuate but generally grow over time. They hold on to their investments for years, sometimes decades, to allow compound interest to do its magic. If you want to build wealth like a millionaire, focus on long-term growth instead of trying to time the market or chase quick profits. Let's also talk about automating your investments. Many millionaires set up automatic contributions to their investment accounts. By automating their savings and investments, they ensure they're consistently building wealth without having to think about it. Whether it's setting up monthly contributions to a 401k, IRA, or brokerage account, automation makes it easier to stay on track with your financial goals. You can start with a small amount and gradually increase it as your income grows. Lastly, millionaires understand the importance of patience and discipline. Investing isn't always exciting. There will be market downturns, and your investments might lose value temporarily. But millionaires know that the market tends to recover over time, and they don't panic when things get tough. They stick to their strategy and trust the process. The key to successful investing is patience, letting your money grow over time and not getting caught up in short-term fluctuations. To sum it up, millionaires grow their wealth through compound interest, diversified portfolios, long-term strategies, research, automation, and discipline. By following these principles, you can start building wealth like a millionaire, even if you're just starting out. What's your first step toward investing for your future? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial success.